In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hyperlinks in Bluebeam. If you've ever clicked a piece of text in a PDF and been taken to a website or a different page you didn't intend to open, that's a hyperlink at work. Sometimes those links are outdated, accidentally created, or just distracting. Let's clean them up the right way so your document behaves exactly the way you want. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Review. Once the file is open, you'll switch into the mode that lets you work with existing links. Go to the top menu, choose Tools, hover over Hyperlink, and then click Edit. This puts Review into Hyperlink Edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place because link areas on the page are typically outlined and your cursor is ready to select them. Now find the hyperlink you want to remove. It might be sitting over text, an image, or even a blank area if it was placed as a hotspot. Click directly on that link region to select it. When it's selected, you'll usually see a bounding box or some visual indication that confirms you're targeting the hyperlink itself and not the underlying text or markup. With the link selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. That immediately removes the hyperlink from the document. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also right-click on the selected link and choose delete from the context menu. Both actions do the same thing, so use whichever feels more natural to you. If you accidentally remove the wrong link, don't worry, you can undo right away. A quick undo is often the easiest way to reverse the last change so you can try again. For precise selection, especially when links are close together or overlapping other content, zoom in before you click. A closer view makes it easier to grab the correct hotspot without affecting anything else. You can also pan around the page while zoomed in to locate every link you want to clean up. Repeat that same click and delete process for any other hyperlinks you want to remove. Take your time, scroll through the pages you're working on, and clean up only the links you no longer need. When you're finished, your PDF will behave like standard, non-interactive content where you've removed those links, helping you avoid unwanted jumps and keeping your readers focused on the content itself. That's all there is to it. Simple, direct, and effective.